welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great, and I'm trying to make this video as early as I can because by 10 o'clock it's gonna be super hot in here. Anyways, today I'm going to install the 2010, 2011 and 2012 Lexus ISF power steering ECU on my 2011 Lexus IS350. Now, I heard that one is the best one, so I ordered it and gave it a try. Now, this is the power steering ECU itself, and that's the part numbers right here. As I said before, this is for 2010, 11, and 12 Lexus ISF. Now, to install this, you need Techstream. If you don't have Techstream, you can take it to Lexus or Toyota or anyone who has access to Techstream. Now, if you buy this used, you don't need that. The main reason you need Techstream is because you need to calibrate it after you install it. But if you buy this used, you don't have to do all that. But if you buy it brand new like I did, you're gonna need to calibrate it after you install it. And this one is for Techstream. I had this off Amazon. I'll put the link down below. And I have Techstream on my laptop. Now it's easy to get. You just have to Google code it and you'll find out where to download it to your laptop. Now, to get to the ECU, you're gonna have to disconnect your battery and we move it because it's underneath of the battery, and that's what I'm going to do right now. And just like that, the battery it's out of the way. Now, as you can see, this is the one that's in the car right now, and as you can see, there's two plugs. It's this one and that one and this one over here. Now, when I won't be able to film this, but all you have to do is disconnect them. But all right, one tip for you guys, to remove this, it's a little bit tricky. So I was trying to remove this, but I could not, and I didn't want to break this. Then I find out what you have to do. You see that little black tab right here? Just grab something small like this and put it up. As you can see, it came up. Now you can just release this right here, and then for this one you do the same thing again. You pull the tab up, and then you'll be able to remove this. Now, I have a camera in one hand and this in my right hand, so I will put the camera that one. Just these, if you're gonna do this by yourself, just be careful, because you have to lift these two tabs up first. All right, guys, just like that, I cut it out. Let me tell you, man, this thing is tricky to remove. Just take your time so you don't mess up the wires. But other than that, it's just the way the tab Lexus design the tab for these is just so stupid. But anyways, I got it out. Now it looks like the bracket is not the same. This is your bracket on the tail one for the ISF, and this is the one for the IS350 or 250. So all you have to do is we move these brackets and we place it with that one, and then you'll be all set to go. Okay guys, just like that, I replace the brackets, and it's easy. There's 3 bolts here, just we move them from the old one and then lift it up and put it in the new ECU. For the ISF, the bracket located on top on the sides, but for the 350 or 250, it's in the bottom. Now I'm going to put this back in the car. Again, it's the same process, the same way you took this off. It's the same way you put them back on. Alright guys, as you can see, just like that, I'm on Techstream, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to chassis and EMPS. This is what you have to click on, and you're gonna wait until it pop up. Now this thing is very slow. This is probably the slowest software that I have ever used. That thing is super slow. And as you can see here, we have 2 codes here. We have 2 codes here, torque sensor. But what you can kind of do, it's because we put that new ECU in there. Now you're gonna go to utility and you're gonna wait for it to pop up. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna click on torque sensor edge adjustment. And down here you got, yeah, and then this will pop up, and the next thing you gonna do is click next, and they say please make sure that yeah, it stopped, and ignition switch is on. You click next. Alright guys, just like that, I'm all done. Now what happened is, it's so hot in here, both my cameras got, for some reason, they got overheated. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording until now. I checked it, and it says that the temperature is too hot. I didn't record that whole thing, but it's pretty straightforward. You see, once you click next, it's gonna tell you to put the steering wheel in the center. Then you have to turn it 90 degrees to the left and put it in the center, then right, and then put it back in the center, and then you click next here, and then it takes at least 30 seconds or 35 to calibrate it, and then you click next, and then it says it's done. You click exit. Now I'm all done, but for some reason I feel like this steering wheel is kind of loose, so I don't know. I have to go for a drive and see how this thing feels like. Alright guys, just like that, I'm all done, and it's extremely hot in here. Now for some reason the steering wheel is loose. I don't know why. Maybe I have to drive the car a little bit, and then it'll get where it's supposed to be. I don't know why it feels so loose. Anyways, it's too hot. I gotta go. I will give you guys an update video, and yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, good night, take care, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Perfect.